Well, I have begun the process of fixing the problems that occurred when my mower caught on fire a few months ago. Haven't used it and really needed it during the winter and just had a lot of other things going on, so I haven't fixed it, but I've started now. I've removed these hydraulic hoses, or the transmission fluid that goes from the little reservoirs down to the transaxles, I guess you call it, on each wheel. They got burned, and the reservoirs as well, one worse than the other. That one's one that didn't get burned too badly. The other one's around here somewhere. But anyway, in the process of doing that, taking wires off so that I can replace them with ones that aren't burned, and probably do a little bit better job as well. I've already started. This was all attached running up here, but I didn't think about starting the video or giving you a snapshot of things along the way, but I'll try to update you every now and then while I do this rebuild.